Decoders. Let us define decoder. Decoders are the class of combinational circuits which has n input lines and 2 to the power n output lines. Decoders will convert set of input variables representing a code into set of output variables which represents another code. So look at the definition here. So it has n input lines. So I am going to draw the general block diagram of a decoder. See the input lines. So on. So I can mark here it as a n input lines. Similarly, there are 2 to the power n output lines. So these are the 2 to the power n output lines. So in general, so this decoder we can name it as a n is to 2 to the power n decoder. So look at here, these n input lines, so which will represent one code, so that will be converted into another code. So that means here the output will become 2 to the power n. Suppose you can take an example of n equal to 2. So if I take n equal to 2, then 2 to the power n equal 2 to the power 2 equal to 4. Then 2 is to 4 decoder. That means input has only 2 lines, output has 4 lines. So based on the input, so which represents a code, so that will be converted into a output, so which will represent a another code. So decoders are widely used in communication system. So at the transmitter side we have encoder, so and the receiver side we have decoders are there. So let us see one example. So this is the general definition of a decoder. So now I will choose this n equal to 3. So if I choose n equal to 3, it becomes 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So that means it is a 3 is to 8 decoder. So I am going to take 3 is to 8 decoder. So we are going to discuss 3 is to 8 decoder. That means we are going to design 3 is to 8 decoder. So 3 is to 8 decoder, first you have to draw the block diagram representation of this. So input lines, we can take here it as a ABC. So A, B, C. So then it is a 3 is to 8 DEC. So in short we are writing DEC, decoder. So and it has 8 output lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 line. So I will name it as a, starting from this, I will name it as a y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. So total 2 to the power n. That means here 8 output lines. So look at here. So we have already in the definition told that, so it will convert a set of input variable that representing a code into a set of output variable which represents another code. So look at here, suppose my input line is 0 0 0, then output y0 will become logic 1. So remaining all lines, that means from y1 to y7, so all will become 0. So if I choose ABC value as a 101, so then 101 corresponds to 5u. So the fifth here, this fifth 5u, so this line that is been activated, that means activated in the sense that it will become logic 1. The remaining y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y6 and y7 will become 0. So that means input it is representing as a 101, so that is nothing but my 5u. So it represents a set of code, so that has been converted into 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So that means it will represent another set of code. So this is the main function of the decoder. So based on this we are going to draw the function table, so which is also called a truth table. So let us draw the truth table for 3:8 decoder. So I am going to draw the truth table for 3:8 decoder. Truth table for 3:8 decoder. So now look at here, inputs. So there is a B, C, the inputs, and there are outputs. Total there are 8 output lines: y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. So now, so write the different combinations here. So 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, then it is a 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So now, so in another way, so we can tell that, so for different combinations, one of the output line will become active high, so remaining will become active low. So that means for 0 0 0 I am making y0 as a active high, remaining all are 0. Similarly for 1, so y1 line will becomes active high, that means it becomes logic 1. So remaining are active low, that means it is a logic 0. Similarly, go on, fill the truth table. So now it is 0 0 0. So then it is 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Similarly here 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Next 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Next 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So this is the truth table. So we have drawn for the 3:8 decoder. So now once we have drawn the truth table means, so we have to write the output expression, that is nothing but Boolean expression. So look at outputs are 7 outputs are there. So for y0, go on writing. So y0 equal to, look at the inputs, all are zeros, so write the complement of the variables a bar, b bar, c bar. So look at this column, so only one is there, so no one more ones are there. So if one more one is there, then I have to write plus sign, I have to write, but here no more ones are there, only single one is there. So this is the expression for a y0 output line. Similarly, write it for y1. So y1 equal to, it becomes a bar b bar c, y2 equal to a bar b c bar, y3 equal to a bar b c. So next y4, which is equal to a b bar c bar, y5 equal to a b bar c, y6 equal to a b c bar, then y7 equal to a b c. So these are the output expressions. So output expressions I have written here. So look at here by seeing the truth table. So look at here, one more example I can give here, y7. So look at this output column, wherever 1 is there. So look at this row, only inputs you have to